Imagine waking up without an alarm clock. Some people used candles with nails stuck in them. As the candle melted, the nail would fall, making a noise to wake them up. In 19th century Britain, there were even people called knocker-uppers, who would walk the streets and tap on workers' windows with long sticks to wake them. Others relied on roosters or simply their own body clocks, waking naturally with the sun. Today, your phone takes care of it. But is it really better? Like old school ideas? Hit like and subscribe for more weird facts.